Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can add and delete bookmarks within Google Chrome. So bookmarks are these little things right up here that allow you to get to certain websites very quickly. And if you wanted to add one, you would simply go to the website. So for example, I'm on canva.com right here. If I want to add a bookmark, then I would just go right up to this little star icon up here. I would select it. And then I can go ahead and name it, right? Maybe I just name it Canva rather than having it say home. I'll name it Canva. And I'm just gonna go ahead and save it to my bookmarks bar folder. I can go ahead and select done. And now we'll see that it added this bookmark right here, okay? One thing that you can do as well is you can actually change the position of these different bookmarks. But let's say that you want to delete one. So you notice I have two different bookmarks for YouTube right here, and I don't need that. So you can delete this by simply clicking on this icon right up here. It will show the side panel. And then we can see all of our bookmarks right over here. And if I select one of them, I can right click and then I can select delete, right? So now you'll notice that up here, I only have one YouTube bookmark, okay? The other way that you can delete it is you can just go straight into your bookmarks over here, and then you'll see a list over here. You can go ahead and select the three dots, and you can delete it that way. Okay, the only reason why I like to use the side panel is because if you get into the bookmarks using this one right up here, then it's not super intuitive how to get back out of it and get back to the website. You would have to go ahead and hit back. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.